Juvenis.
Honestly.
All this song, we don't know what the guy they talk.
Momo song.
So they sing, they confuse us.
That they sing Momo song to Momo people, they laugh, Momo laugh.
So the other day, we don't know. Some people they sing, you know that they sing under the influence. How can somebody just wake up in the morning and start singing? I feel like flying over the moon. Do you know where the moon is?
Something is moving the guy to the moon.
Or the other one that sang, I'll catch a grenade for you. Are you mad? You know that police abroad, when you hear their names and they want to arrest you, you'll be so frightened because you know that these are serious people. For example, now you are the victim. You know you're always a victim. Okay, you're not always, just for now.
Don't worry, I go manage.
Okay, beautiful. You are the victim now and they want to arrest you. You just hear, freeze! FBI! You say, FBI.
Oh, yeah.
It's a serious
matter.
Good. Now, or you hear, freeze! CIA! Say, you know,
designers, they catch me.
Exactly. Or you hear, freeze! NYPD! New York Police Department.
This one, Sophie.
Jesus.
Yes, sir.
Just imagine you are over here and you hear, freeze!
Waiting.
NPF! You say,
for where?
I'm not a politician. They say, no, Nigerian Police Force. They say, come on, leave this place. Get out. Nonsense. What's wrong with you? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kelly Blind.
Now, wow. This is my PSF for the water me. Who they direct each other. Carry me go face audience, they carry me the face war. After this show, I go do check up on your eye. All right. If you know say you don't want blind like me, clap for yourself. Therefore, not break one rule. And if you stop to clap, you go blind. It don't do. They talk of blindness, some people they fear. When I don't know as I did like this at the hammer. See the way they pack is blindness. So the people when they see now they direct me, they borrow their eye. And they tell people say now let me know my problem. If Governor Fashola of Lagos State will give me 5 million today, my eye go open. The money finish I blind back. Well, another to permanent the eye na 30 million. They tell people. You see, the other day, the one wake up pay me pass the other day. I blind. I can't stay go employ blind PA. I blind, I can't go employ blind PA. PA, me and my PA call they come out with a go show. They carry me with the lead. I was blind, they lead blind. Go rush your jewel leg back. PA leave road, go for me for gutter. The daddy also jewel leg back gutter, not be gutter and I canna. And they take ladder, bring me come outside and daddy attack him. He lost his job. I'm telling you the matter. You see, our Nigeria police, they make me the best. They do anything. They know they look people where they sell form for. That's so the other day somebody advised me to go buy police form. Maybe blind person go buy police form. I go there, go buy the form. They don't know say I'm blind. When I do training finish, even when I do training, they don't still know say I'm blind. We have problem for God day. Now when I did station with my guy one day, there's some robber they rob from one bank. A guy just called me, Kelly Blind did the say sir the They said I mobilize 10 policemen. When I go catch the armed robbers come. So we carry van and so we reach here. Go reach the place where the armed robber they rob. Now if I jump down, armed robber they right and they wrong go left. I rob past where the armed robber there. Armed robber Costa they look me. No be with this officer they look for. After they discuss now say I run go jam walk. Bah! And they shout, where the armed robbers there? Where they? Armed robbers stand they look me. Where this officer they look for now? See blood, you don't tear your head though. Now we they look for it, don't hear head. Now one of the arm robber call look say, make you go meet me, make you know what they happen. Now say come meet me, say officer come. Now the arm robber they look for, I say where the day. He say come I go show you where the day. Now so they take carry me enter bush, tie me rope. Now so they take kidnap me. Now so police take up pay 5 million and that day they sack me. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. You know, I don't do the joke. You see, the other day, Governor Fashola said he want to donate land for disabled people for Lagos. He called up saying are blind and crippled. Now they drag the land. The thing too much for governor. Governor also okay, make blind people and crippled make them fight. Anybody will make carry the land, make it they go. Make blind people and crippled make them fight. Anybody will make the kind land go. 10 blind, 10 crippled. He called up saying I make captain that the blind people. They will not fight the fight always. Now me lead the blind people go on that tree. Mango tree go they wait for cripple. We don't know say the mango don't ripe. As we did under the mango they wait. Now so breeze go blow. Say blow one mango fall for one blind guy head. Guy shot. Captain Bila said that the cripple don't come. If now so they want to fight us today, we don't die yet today. They go they blow us and they go they run. I say relax, they never come. They don't call them for don't attack another person. As we did they discuss, another man go for this one on my head. I say, then the cripple don't call, no that. Because you hear blind people begin carry themselves, nagra fight, just start to. They begin carry themselves, nagra, see blood, see knife. They cut yourself, blood up full everywhere, they turn and sweat. Take out the clean body. When cripple call, they come. Cripple don't they call, they come. From far, where cripple see blind people. Yeah, the captain tell them, someone wait to. Now blind people be that too. They never start fight, see blood up full everywhere. Now training they do. More leave the land for them, more they go back home. I'm telling you, I said they take give us land, go back. I'm telling you the truth. You know, the other day, that day when Chelsea and Bayern Munich play final for Champions League. At the room that day, my papa just called me, Kelly Blind. I said, sir, I said, come. I come. He said, Kelly Blind, look at TV whether it's clear. Me blind person look TV whether it's clear. Me say stupid person. I say, Papa, be like so. I say, boy, be like say the thing not clear. He say, you can blind sit down. My papa can go outside. I say, go the turn and tell her for outside. The TV don't clear. Make her tell her. I said, this man know what they do. So me blind person they look TV. Make go the turn and tell her. I said to them, me and you go no blind here today. Now so this man go outside. Go the turn and tell her. The turn and tell her. Kelly blind don't clear. I say, Papa, no, you never clear. The turn. Today, me and you go no blind here today. He they turn. Kelly blind the doctor say no, Papa, you never clear. They turn. So more time, tell why I verse cut. They do shh. This is my mind. I say, I say this to don't declare. Thank you. Kelly blind the doctor say no, Papa, you never clear. As we they argue now, so never cut take light everywhere, cut dark. Now that time I come begin shout, Papa, come, you don't clear, come. My papa reaches inside the house, he not see anything. He say blind fool, idiot. Thank you very much. I will make it blind.
Come on, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Kelly Blind.
When I cannot go follow. When I leave me, the only blind are blind. Do not go break like join them.
At this show, Martin will say, I've been millionaire since I don't know.
Please put your hands together as I welcome Ima. Oh my God.
Am I that long? Somebody say, oh my God. Say, oh my God. I want to now put your hands together for yourselves one more time, man. Yeah. Nice one. Okay. They say make I just crack some jokes this night. So let me start on this note. I love music a lot, yeah. If you listen to Wazobia FM, you go hear my voice, my singings and everything. I thought I was actually going to sing this night till I got here. So I'm going to be talking about music. And I'm going to be doing a lot of comparisons. Let me start on this note. Let me start from intro. Now, we thank God for music. Wait a minute. I better go. We thank God for music in Nigeria because we are getting to another phase. We are going to another level. We know that we used to be before. But if you compare music in Nigeria and music in Jan, I beg now, wait till this. The difference Like when you go abroad, they pay attention to details. When intro is slow, the song will be slow. When intro is fast, the song will be fast. That's why you hear something like slow intro. You hear song, I will never find another lover sweeter than. You know that song now? And the beat, the way you go, they move, self. But come to Nigeria, you hear intro. You now hear song. Let me give you an example. Bish. Thou art worthy. It tire me. I'm like, how you take relate? When you go abroad, the way guys sing for ladies there, you go see say they appreciate the lady. Like that song I was singing, from the beat, the way you go they dance, then the guy go sing to you, I will never find another lover. The voice, even your grandma go they convince you, oh, your grandma go they trip on your behalf. But come to Nigeria, the first thing, when you first hear the beat will give you earthquake, quake of the heart. You hear something like, can't go to. The only kind of dance you can do to that kind of beat, can't go to. Now, this dance, you know what this dance resemble? Have you been to a zoo before? Have you seen a monkey or a baboon? Where they put hot pepper inside the armpit. Now the dance, oh. Now, a guy in Nigeria wants to sing a song for the lady he wants to spend the rest of his life with. Listen, oh. Baby girl, I'll be your wizard, oh, if you be my wish. Wait till now one born. Mommy water. Somebody say, oh my God.
At this show, Martin say, I've been millionaire since I don't know.
And the way you move make me want to see down. Girl, I wanna call you Carolina. And the way you go down low, baby girl, you want me to see now. Hey, I know you know me now. Oh yeah, Joe. Oh yeah, Joe. Joe Diva. Oh yeah, Joe. Oh yeah, Joe. Joe Diva. Oh yeah, Joe. Oh yeah, Joe.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, how is you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Color TV.
What do you want to do, please?
You dey ask me?
Yeah.
See, Anna, am I babbing through so having a clipper on the collar?
Okay.
I can't shave my hair, no understand.
Alright, sir. This way, please.
That way, Abby?
Yeah.
Oh, that's me, baby. Color TV. I will collect your pin when I'm leaving.
Nice to meet you. I feel like I'm winning. I can take it.
How is you?
Fine. You're welcome, sir.
Yeah.
You're welcome, sir.
Well done, my boys. You are looking casually.
Yes,
I like it.
Thank you very much.
Nice one.
Thank you very much, sir. You want to fix your hair, right?
They fix it. About Cortana.
Okay, we'll give you a very nice one, sir. You love it, sir.
Nice one.
Thank you very much, sir. Once again, you're welcome, sir. My boy will attend to you.
Yes, sir. They'll come attend to you.
Yeah.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. You are very caring these days, though. Don't worry, they disturb the baby.
We need to cover you up.
Cover me. Wait, guy.
Okay, sir.
Now, on a calendar with that.
That's not our calendar, sir.
So, what's it mean?
That's the price our customers pay for the services we render, sir.
Which customer?
Customers like you, sir.
Like me.
Yes, sir.
Pay for waiting. Oh, I don't see him. Shaving 3,000.
Yes, sir.
Barbing 10,000.
Exactly, sir.
Home service 200,000.
Exactly, sir.
Beautiful. So, how much did they barb my head?
10,000 naira, sir. when we are through, sir.
You are a comedian.
Sir, this is good service, sir.
Good waiting service. Enough of English here. What?
If I come in, sir, that's what we charge normally. Our customers that come here, we take care of them, your haircut and all your general welfare that you have to enjoy when you come here. It's all added up to you. So, like for now, yours is just 10,000 naira.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Now because the wine and the granite, everything, packaging, no worry. I'm never finishing that wine. See now wine. Yeah, take her. Wait, off this. Off this. Off our well. How much now?
So it's still same thing, sir. It doesn't change.
Now never light nowadays.
We're using the generator, sir.
Okay, no more than a diesel cause off the light, off the
Okay,
off it.
Tell them.
Is it not me? Off it.
The generator is off now, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir, there's no NEPA light. That means we can't continue.
How much are you charging that there's no light?
We've started, but we can't continue.
Now you are talking. So can I go now?
So I didn't say we can't start. We
Take her come up from my body.
Continue.
Sure. Everyone are not bad finish. This package, take this evening. See now shoe. My God. My guys now. We just gist things with the yarn. We don't discuss and just issues. We just the issue. What am I doing? Beg. I don't get chichi.
Carolina, who was slimmer, who was finer? You know I seen her with new designers, not Tokumbo, made in China.
At this show, Martin will say, I've been millionaire since I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is the Patrick Croner himself, Sunday and North.
The way she lighting up the place now, the way she wind up on the place now.
Hey!
The way she lighting up the place now, the way she wind up on the place now. I'm catching cold, oh. I'm catching cold, oh. I'm catching cold, oh. I'm catching cold, oh. See the truth about to unfold. See this girl, she make me catch cold. See this girl, she make me catch cold. Can I get a bit to your back very push? I don't need no sweater. Need umbrella. I don't need. All I need is you. Let's take a step. Mama Rose, baby me. Let's take a step. Mama Rose, baby me. Mount and great, oh, Mount and great. Mount and great. The way she lighting up the place now. The way she wind up on the place now. The way she lighting up the place now. The way she wind up on the place now. I'm catching cold, oh. I'm catching cold, oh. I'm catching cold, oh. I'm catching cold, oh. See, I got this feeling, and you see this kind of feeling, not the kind of feeling where my thing get take this extra healing. So baby, come closer. I'm not saying and I just wanna know ya. The way you wind on me, you go coma. Say baby, tell me once it's gonna be my temperature goes coma. When you go coma, it's like I'm falling in a coma. I feel like the way you roll, you make me go. Baby, go ragabo. Oh no, baby, come out. Girl, I like the way you roll. She lighting up the place now. The way she line up on the place now. She lighting up the place now. The way she wind up on the place now. I'm catching cold, oh. I'm catching cold, oh. I'm catching cold, oh. I'm catching cold, oh.
Thank you.
At this show, Martin say, I'll be millionaire since I don't know.
Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638 or 0808 152 4499 or visit www.juvenis.punux.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.